Hello guys, welcome to my new video. 2024 Ford Bronco Raptor review. Alex Lins. In standard configuration, the Ford Bronco is very capable off-road, but for drivers who demand even greater capability or monster truck looks, there's the 2024 Bronco Raptor. This so-called Raptor continues the theme started by the F-150 Raptor pickup truck, integrating a variety of hardware and design upgrades that ready it to venture further off pavement. Collapse all chevron. What's new? Chevron introduced for 2023. The Bronco Raptor receives cosmetic updates for 2024 to celebrate the standard model's 58th birthday. Changes include available shelter green and velocity blue exterior colors for available 17-inch wheel styles by Method Racing in Oxford white, matte titanium gray, Method bronze, or matte black. Available code orange appearance package. What we think? Chevron. Few trails prove too much for the Ford Bronco to handle, but for extreme terrain, the Bronco Raptor is the solution. In Raptor guise, the Bronco changes from capable to darn near unstoppable, becoming what might be the ultimate factory-built off-roader of all time. Just look at it. The Raptor hulks over the standard Bronco, gaining long travel suspension and enormous tires that significantly increase its height and width. That's not just for show. It enables huge articulation and optimized angles so the Bronco Raptor can drive over and through almost anything in its path. Locking differentials, a disconnecting sway bar, thick skid plates, and a slew of software aids help its driver keep rolling forward. In many ways the Bronco Raptor drives how it looks, so insania, but it has a soft side. On the road it's unexpectedly relaxed, smoothing out pavement with its huge tires and plush suspension. However, its twin-turbo V6 doesn't sound great, and it feels overburdened in motivating this chunky beast. The hardest part about driving the Bronco Raptor is managing its width, which barely fits between lane lines, to say nothing of tight parking spaces. Like the standard Bronco, the Raptor's interior is a mixed bag. Some materials and tech are fairly upscale, while other areas feel cheap. Even so, whether you're tickled by its ridiculous looks or awed by performance, it's hard to not have a good time in the Raptor. Why no V8 in the Bronco Raptor? Chevron 8-cylinder engines have powered the F-150 Raptor, including the current, monstrous F-150 Raptor R, but the Bronco Raptor makes do with a V6. It's a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged mill producing 418 horsepower and 440 pounds-to-feet of torque, connected to a 10-speed automatic transmission. That's good for a 6.8-second 0 to 60 miles per hour time in our testing. Fuel economy for the 2023 Bronco Raptor was rated at a dismal 15/16 miles per gallon city, highway. Why isn't there a V8 in the Bronco Raptor? Ford says it won't fit under the Bronco's hood. Someday, some way, the Blue Oval's engineers could perhaps make it work, but for now the Bronco maxes out with a V6. That is, unless you count the Mad Bronco Doctor off-road race car. Bronco Raptor vs. Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392. Chevron. The existence of the Bronco today is predicated on the Jeep Wrangler. Ford revived its classic SUV nameplate to take on Jeep's fan-favorite off-roader. It's a classic case of automotive one-upmanship, best exemplified by the ultimate iteration of each vehicle, the Bronco Raptor and Wrangler Rubicon 392. Although the Raptor's chassis revisions impress, The 392 has it beat in the engine department. That number indicates the displacement of its 470 horsepower, 470 pounds-feet V8. Is power alone enough for the Wrangler 392 to take down the formidable Bronco Raptor? We pitted these two extreme vehicles head-to-head to see which is the ultimate off-road rig. Cargo space and interior room chevron. Technology chevron. A 12.0-inch infotainment touchscreen is standard and includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in navigation with integrated trail maps. In addition to standard USB Type A and Type C ports, a wireless charging pad is available. The audio system can be upgraded from the standard 6 speakers to a 10-speaker Bang & Olufsen premium setup. Trail-oriented tech includes a 360-degree camera and pre-wired auxiliary switches for accessories like winches or lights. What is the Code Orange package? Chevron rounding out this year's appearance upgrades is the new Code Orange package. It adds splashes of color to the off-road Bronco's exterior through distinct graphics on the rear fenders, orange tow hooks, and orange bead lock rings on the Raptor's 17-inch dark carbonized gray wheels. In the cabin, Ford offers either black onyx or blue with black onyx upholstery, which allow the model's orange 3-point seat belts to really pop. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.